Hey, say something. It's the babies. Come here. Come here. Are your eyes opening? You're starting to. Hi. Here, let's get one of your brothers. Sorry, Mama. Look at this. Take your hand out of your eye, knucklehead. There's another baby. Go back to your mama. Here's the one I really like. Yeah. Alright. Here's another one. Hey. What? Okay, okay. Look at him crying. Okay. Okay, go back to your mama. There you go. There they are with mama. Look at that one trying to run away. Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. It's alright, Mom. Look at that one. And there's an orange kitty still asleep. Hey, wake up. Have some breakfast, knucklehead. That's the kitties. Bye-bye, kitties.